Hi, welcome to Reflection Song Studio. I'm Laura, and today we're going to learn BTS's Life Goes On. This is the intro version of the song, so if you already know the chords, you can go ahead and move on to the outro version of the song. This song is a great progression from Airplane Part 2. In Airplane Part 2, we had 2 chords, and in Life Goes On, we have 4 chords. It's a great progression because the same chords that we played in Airplane Part 2 are also in Life Goes On, so you already know them. The good news too is that they are easy chord shapes, so your hand probably already knows how to make them. If you can play C, G, D, and E, you can definitely play this song. For this song, we'll play each chord twice, and the same chord progression will happen throughout the whole song. The chords you need to know are E, E7, E major 7, and A minor. Take a minute and pause and figure out the fingering for those. So we're gonna put our capo on the 4th fret, and the chords that we need to know are E, E7, E major 7, and A minor. Good. Ready to play?
아직도 멈추질 않아 저 먹구름보다 빨리 달려